Hi students, and welcome to Module 8 of International Law and Politics of Outer Space. This week we'll look at the ISS, the International Space Station, and spaceports, also called launching facilities. The most fundamental legal principle in the Outer Space Treaty is no territorial sovereignty in space. That's why the ISS is an interesting problem. The IGA, the Intergovernmental Agreement underpinning the ISS, was the result of many years of negotiation following a proposal by the U.S. to develop a shared international orbiting facility. In 1998, it was signed by the U.S., ESA, the European Space Agency, Japan, Canada, and the Russian Federation. The major issue was whether the ISS, in spite of being assembled in outer space in many different stages by many nations, should be registered as one space object, which is what the US wanted, or as separate objects. In the end, an elegant solution was found. Each country retains legal control over the element of the ISS it contributed, and the detailed rules for each are spelled out in separate MOUs, or Memoranda of Understanding. The module gives a good explanation of the rules on the ISS, which may serve as the basis for future space projects. Spaceports are another key aspect of space travel. They provide launch infrastructure for various rockets. The U.S. alone has a dozen of them, which contain launch pads and rocket or missile ranges with their own tracking and telemetry. Often they have propellant storage facilities as well. The module also includes a brief but very worthwhile summary of something that doesn't yet exist, but will in the future: on-orbit spaceports or space depots. It's a waypoint in space that provides services for space vehicles. A good example is a YouTube video called Mining the Moon / Shackleton Energy, which shows just one example of how a spaceport works and why they add value. Once spaceports prove effective in LEO, or the Lagrange points around the moon, we can develop a network of spaceports that include locations on the moon to further enable space exploration. Please read the module for all the information, and I'll be happy to respond in the discussion forum if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.